General reporting in for a Tuesday morning. Got cheese in, got juice in, got chalky, got ice coffee. Got the skaters, got the helmets, got the goggles, got the Dubai polished turkey stone, the silver ring. Got Conan playing on the video on the TV. Conan's fighting the snake. Gonna go to the beach house and touch myself over the hot little home milk snatches, XXL, Duchess, Juicy. Go to the hotel, go to the holiday house and touch myself on the bed over the hot little home milk snatches. Conan's fighting the snake. Super ties, putting arrows into the snake. Throws him the sword and he's gonna cut his head off. Throws him the sword and he cuts his head off. Cut the snake's head off. Conan and Valeria and Super Time make their getaway. Got the dagger in the hand. Valeria stabs him. Valeria stabs him, then goes on the rope on the way up. Valeria makes her getaway. Oh, cool. Got the juice in, got the cheese in, got the chalky, got the iced coffee. I'm gonna go to the holiday house and touch myself over the hot little home meal snatches. Jedi wants to go to the holiday house and go the hot little home meal snatches, huh? Wants to get him on the bed, XXL Juicy and then Duchess, and go the hot little home meal snatches. Oh, cool.